game changer. Best thing we ever did. Has increased our business here tremendously. We have recently in 2019 here purchased our 7th 2D 3D laser.
Time is our biggest issue in this business. It has, for example, nowadays I do not pay somebody to do my templates. We're a small company. We do 5 or 6 kitchens a week. I schedule all my templates on a Monday morning. I go out and do all my templates on Monday, 5 or 6 templates. Come back and I'm in my office all week long. I'm not paying somebody to go put sticks together. I'm not paying for Luan anymore.
Our company do about 40 kitchens a week, but I can comfortably go out with a laser and do 6 in a day without breaking a sweat. It's the best thing by a mile I have ever bought.
Really?
And that is without any lies. This isn't a sales thing. I've genuinely just bought onto this stand.
I spend about $5,000 a year in foam.
Okay. Oh wow.
Because we used to buy foam directly from a company that makes it.
Right.
And that's a huge savings right there.
Mm-hmm.
I would say the cost of the system has already because of the offset of what we used to pay in foam. The system's already paid for itself. Because the foam was a perpetual. We always had to buy it. Now with the system, it was a one-time cost, and now we don't have to buy materials to actually do our measuring.
It's been amazing. You can measure in half the time, about 2 now, and it's been night and day. So I highly recommend doing it yourself if you want to start doing more kitchens.
Once we got the robot, that's when we decided to go with the laser templating. Because of the cameras, we could match up our veins, but what it's actually done is eliminated an entire process of digitizing a stick template, programming the machine to where the software, the laser product software, integrates directly with the robot. So now my templater is performing the function of 2 guys. He's doing the job of 2 guys. So when he leaves the house, that job's ready to go. He can email it straight to the robot. And I always tell people, we can be cutting your job before the templater guy gets in his truck to come back to the next job, which is fantastic.
Now, with the digital, with the digital templating and the digital machining, we're nesting pieces very tight. Stuff that you couldn't do with sliding big old pieces of template material around. I mean, now we do it on a computer, and it's just the turnaround time is extremely fast, but we're also nesting things a lot tighter, so we know what we're going to need in material accurately before we even purchase the material in a lot of cases, because we've been able to do it on a computer instead of having to have the slab there with these big chunks of template, only to find out that it doesn't quite fit. Now I got to get another slab that puts delay in it, so turnaround time, is critical. Like you mentioned, not having to remove those countertops before, templating, that drives sales, because people don't want to have to deal with that. They don't have to in this day and age. Now that it's all digital, literally, I'm doing the same kind of square footage with 2 guys on the floor. Two people. Well, I mean, less waste, the savings of the guy's time, wages driving around, the increased amount of templates that he's able to do, the turnaround time, which gives me the ability to get more jobs installed. I give it 3 months, If you're a slower shop, maybe it takes a little bit longer, but if you're doing volume, it'll take you less. It's a no-brainer.
We can do a template that used to take us 2.5 hours to 3 hours to do, 70 square foot kitchen, within 45 minutes. We can email that job right from the job site to our computers and have it cut that same day if we need to. Saving us money and gas, it's saving us time, it's saving us material. We've been able to double the jobs that we do in one day, and the accuracy that it gives us and just the performance of the lasers, you cannot get any better than that.
All I can say is, in the beginning, when we first initially made the transition, that first year in material and labor, we were able to save like $300,000. And that's $300,000. Absolutely, that's 100% of real money. $300,000 in labor, going from 3 shifts to 1 shift. So utilizing material better, saving about 5%, 5-6% on material utilization.
Before, I was spending probably a good 20 hours of my personal time every week doing wooden templates, and that was maybe 5 or 6 houses. Now I'm doing over 20 houses a week, and I spend 2 days a week doing templates.
From 120 feet a day install for a 2-man crew.
2 or 3 men.
2 or 3 men to how much now, same size crew?
450, 500.
So 3 times the installation capability with the same amount of people. That's a big thing. And the scrap percentage, it used to be 12%, is what now?
0.
Well, you gotta make some mistakes.
No, we have not made one mistake. I have every file I've ever done in this company today. We not had one templating error. Not one piece recut because of the template.
So I come in with my laser and I set up my points and I go and I go and I go and I go. I move on to my next area, and you know, I can do 200 square feet of stone fully templated, ready to go to my saw in 30 minutes.
It takes everything out of everything. No hard templates. Fantastic. I mean, it turns, you take 20 square feet, 200 square feet, takes about the same amount of time. It cuts your time in half.
For us, it's time. And time is what everybody fights. My first day using a laser, I templated 24 kitchens in a commercial project. The second day, I templated 65 in a 5-hour time.